Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 3. We are learning unit 14. Its title is Helping at Home. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today under the title of listening and speaking, we are going to learn how to describe things in surrounding. So before this, we have already learned about describing words. How do we use them? They are called adjectives. Now we know it, what adjectives are. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again, because this vocabulary of adjectives is going to help us to cover our today's SLO, to describe things in surroundings. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Yunus, verse 22. It is He who enables you to travel on land and sea until when you are in ships and they sail with them by a good wind and they rejoice therein. There comes a strong wind and the waves come upon them from everywhere and they assume that they are surrounded, supplicating Allah, sincere to Him in religion. If you should save us from this, we will surely be among the thankful. Yes, my dear students, what this beautiful verse is telling us. Beta, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is describing a scene. What happens? You are able to walk on land and travel on sea. Allah has created you like that, and Allah has made these things for you. Then all of a sudden a strong wind comes when you are traveling in water, and from everywhere waves come. So this is a scene Allah is describing, and at that moment everyone makes dua to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Everyone makes a supplicating to Allah. So beta, we should make dua to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala every time, not just in problem. Okay, so we should remember Allah all the time, right? Now, my dear students, this is how we describe different situations, different things by using adjectives. Okay, so before we start our today's lecture, you tell me what are describing words, means what are adjectives, and what do describing words, adjectives, tell or describe. Pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope you remember adjectives. We have discussed in detail. So adjectives are the words which we used to describe something, right? For example, brown hair. Now this color, this adjective of color is telling us something about this noun, right? This is how we use adjectives. Orange shirt. Now this is adjective which is telling the color of this noun. So we use adjective before a noun to tell what type of thing or object or what are the qualities of this person. Like this, we use adjectives. Red shoes, right? Long neck. Now this animal has long neck. Giraffe is a long neck animal. Giraffe has long neck. This is how we use adjective to describe objects. Small baby. This is a small baby, right? Narrow lane. This street is very narrow. So this is how we use it. Round ball. Balls are round. So round ball. This is how we use adjectives. Could you recall it? All right. So pretty girl. Okay, this is how we use adjectives for persons. Rainy weather. This is how we can describe weather as well. So many cats, some eggs, red shoes. These are all adjectives which are telling us something about noun, right? Okay, now this vocabulary which we have already gathered, we are going to use it to describe. Now this is something in your surrounding. Okay, you're sitting in school and there is definitely a desk or a bench or a table. How do we describe it? This is a desk. It's made of wood and iron. This is a new desk. It is comfortable. We sit on it every day and we clean it every day. This is placed in a line. So beta, whatever you can keep telling about this desk. This is how we describe objects in our surrounding, right? And there is another object, for example, a chair. So this is a very beautiful chair. This is a new chair. This is made of wood and iron. It has an arm where I can place my notebook to complete my work. I like it. Its color is brown. Its stand is black. It's a new chair, etc., etc. This is how you describe an object in your surrounding, and whatever you can tell about that, you can tell by using adjectives, right? Are you clear with the concept? Okay, so let's practice it through an activity. What we are going to do, your teacher will call the students one by one to come in front of the class and describe what? Describe maybe a classroom and classroom objects like desk, table, chair, door, board, fan, window, bag, book, lunch box, water bottle, etc. Whatever. So your teacher will take an object and will tell you to describe it. So you will hold that or you can point that, and whatever you can tell about that, its color, its quality, how does it look, so where do you use it, whatever you can tell, you will tell about that object. Okay, so every one of you is going to participate. Pause the video, enjoy this activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? So you described many things. Good, wonderful. Now it's time to complete this project. This is given in your book. So this is how your teacher is going to help you. We have already studied about homophones. So teacher, you will divide the class in groups, and each group will make a homophones list, general, or you can say it's a list, and paste or draw pictures and also write their names, and group with the most homophones will get the highest points. Okay, so this is how you are going to complete this project. Pause the video, enjoy completing this project, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. Now it's time for your homework. You will make a list of all the chores you have to do and write down them in your daily diary. And there is another thing, beta, the listening and speaking portion which is given in your book, you will practice describing objects from your bedroom at home as well. Okay, do it again, repeat it at your home. Whatever is there in your bedroom, you will describe it at home. This is also your homework. So here I'm giving you a worksheet. My dear fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. So what we have learned today, we learned to describe things in surroundings. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing. Take very good care of yourself. Thank you, and Allah Hafiz.